Fall is here, and 2025's food trends are all about cozy classics with a twist. From savory pumpkin ramen to maple tahini lattes, we're diving into the best new flavors and easy recipes you can make at home. Grab a warm drink. Let's get started. First up, Pumpkin Miso Ramen. Forget everything you know about pumpkin, it's not just for sweets. Pumpkin's creamy, earthy flavor pairs perfectly with umami-rich miso for a silky, complex broth. Sauté garlic and ginger, whisk in pumpkin puree and miso, then add stock and simmer. Serve with chewy noodles, a jammy egg, and crisp greens. The broth is the star. Creamy, rich, and dairy-free, this bowl is pure fall comfort. Try it on a chilly night. You'll never see pumpkin the same way again. Meet your new brunch favorite, sparkling rosemary apple cider. Make a rosemary syrup by simmering rosemary, sugar, and water. This adds a piney, aromatic note. Pour over ice, add apple cider, and top with sparkling water or prosecco for a festive fizz. Garnish with rosemary and apple slices for an elegant touch. It's refreshing, balanced, and perfect for any fall gathering. For a show-stopping vegetarian main, try chestnut and farro stuffed squash. Roast acorn or delicata squash until caramelized, then fill with a mix of farro, chestnuts, mushrooms, onions, and herbs. Pop it back in the oven to meld flavors and toast the top. It's hearty, rustic, and makes a beautiful centerpiece. Serve as a main or alongside roasted meats for a cozy holiday meal. Black garlic butter is your new secret weapon. Mash soft, sweet black garlic into softened butter with sea salt and parsley. Roll into a log and chill, slice as needed. Melt over steak, spread on bread, or toss with roasted veggies. It adds deep, umami-rich flavor to anything. Try it on mashed potatoes or garlic bread for a next-level upgrade. Simple, but extraordinary. This vegan creamy mushroom soup is pure comfort. Use a mix of mushrooms for depth and blend soaked cashews for a silky, dairy-free finish. Sauté onions, garlic, and mushrooms, thicken with a roux, then blend with cashews. Finish with soy sauce and thyme for umami and warmth. Serve with a drizzle of olive oil. No one will guess it's vegan. Baked carrot cake donuts are the perfect fall breakfast. All the classic carrot cake flavors, cinnamon, nutmeg, sweet carrots in a light baked donut. Mix in walnuts or raisins if you like. Bake and glaze while warm. They're moist, spiced, and feel like a treat you can enjoy any day. Perfect with coffee on a crisp morning. Try persimmon pudding cakes for a unique fall dessert. Use super ripe hachia persimmons for a sweet, custardy base spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg. Bake in ramekins for individual servings. Soft, dense, and almost gooey. Top with whipped cream or ice cream for extra comfort. It's a humble, luxurious treat that tastes like autumn. Cranberry chocolate bark is the easiest fall treat. Melt dark chocolate, spread on parchment, and sprinkle with dried cranberries, pistachios, and flaky sea salt. Add orange zest or pumpkin seeds for extra flair. Chill, break into pieces, and enjoy or gift. It's festive, delicious, and takes minutes to make. Perfect for snacking or sharing. Which fall food will you try first? Pumpkin ramen, persimmon cakes, or something else? This season is about flavor, nostalgia, and a little adventure in the kitchen. Share your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy cooking, and see you next time.